What's good, YouTube? This is your San Antonio military realtor, Adrian Wells. We're back at it again with another Perry home. Now, we just got done recording another Perry home. It's on the higher end in the 600s, but we got a more affordable model right here. This is going for $440,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 bath with a 2-car garage, and it's 1,980 square feet. All right. Now you see, from the outside, it gives you a contemporary look. It doesn't have too much going on, and it has the 8-foot doors. So that's something with Perry homes. It don't matter if you're getting a high-end model or you're getting the economical model, you're gonna get them 8-foot doors. All right. Now, I'm happy about this tour because I'm actually about to lock in a client into one of these homes, and I'll be happy to help anyone else who would like to get into one of these homes. Alrighty. Now, as we enter the home, you see it's a beautiful Perry home design. Always open, modern. Now, the difference between this one and the other model, the office is at the very front of the home. Now, this is great if you want to keep an eye on your whole house while you're working, so you can see the outside of the home. And you have the 8-foot doors that are clear, twin doors. You can keep an eye on everything that's going on in your home. Okay. So everything just works together. It works well. Right here, that's where the 2-car garage would be, but this is where the builder reps are. So we're not gonna go that way right now. Okay, you see, we have a modern kitchen style with an open design. You see how I walked through and everything is just laid out perfectly? No obstructions in the way. That's how you want your home with these modern homes, okay? We have the gas stove. They're very famous for that gas stove in these Perry homes. And you see the style. You have a breath of fresh air every day you come into this home. They have the tile backsplash over there. Twin appliances with the microwave and the oven. Dining area. You don't have to make this a dining area, but it'll be perfect if you set it up just like this. You'll be using the house to its best form, okay? And then you have the living area. Look at that. Very spacious. And remember, it's 1,900 square feet. So what you're getting for 1,900 square feet is top tier versus what you would get in another build. All right. So we have the first of the 2 bathrooms right here. This is very intentionally made for families. You see? So you'll have the first room for one of your children. 8-foot doors everywhere. And then you have the second one right across the hall. So they have their own privacy, but they're around each other. They're still in the same area. And it also gives the parents privacy in their room, okay? And they have a lot of space in these rooms, so they're not gonna be crunched up in here, okay? Got tile backsplash on that bathroom, forgot to say that. Staple in Perry homes. And let's check out the closet space. They staged this home, but you can see closet space. There's a lot of closet space. Actually bigger than most closets I've seen for some master's homes. So you're getting the best of both worlds here. Okay. Master bedroom, I love it. But before we go to the master bedroom, we're gonna take a look at the backyard patio area. Okay. As we come into here, we see this beautiful backyard, and it wraps around the property. It's eloquently built. Comes standard with a ceiling fan, so you'll never have to worry about getting too hot. It's perfect for pets, or if you just want your kids to be outside, because it's just safer to be in the backyard. But look at the space. It's perfect, perfectly sized. It's not too much. Some houses can be too much for some people, but if you want a simple, eloquent lifestyle, this is the type of home for you. Okay. And again, let me give you these views right here. They're not done building. This will be another house that they're building right here. But you will have the greatest views next to man. We are on the west side of San Antonio, by the way. So we're pretty close to a lot of things. Now, we're gonna hit the master bedroom. I'm gonna stand in the very back so you can get an idea of the size. It's a pretty decent size with the king size mattress in there. You can see that you're gonna get your money's worth. Gave you a couple angles just so you can see how big the master bedroom is. Okay. And my favorite, before we go in here, I just love bathrooms. The new build bathrooms are just so amazing, especially Perry homes. They take their time. They know what their people want. They know who they're making their homes for, okay? So the toilet, we keep that separate because you don't want to be doing your business and having the smell leak out when your significant other is in the shower or taking a bath, you know what I mean? So that is perfectly designed. They do that in almost all of their homes for the most part. And you see we have the tub right here for when you want to relax after a long day of work, get the Epsom salt, throw it in there, and you're in there just relax. You probably fall asleep. Imagine yourself right here. You have your wine, there's rose petals, bubbles, and you're listening to your favorite R&B. Mine's, personally, I like Mary J. Blige. That's my favorite R&B. And then we got the walk-in shower, okay? I'm gonna actually walk in so you can see how big the shower is, okay? I'm standing at the very back of this shower. As we go forward, I'm gonna do a 360. Look at that space. So even if y'all are strapped for time, husband and wife, y'all wanna take a shower together, y'all can get that done. Save time, energy, and water. Enough space for it. And you see we have the separate sinks with cabinet space. Again, you want to have that so you don't have to commingle your items and you have your own sense of privacy, but you're together at the same time. So it's a great look. I love how there's two separate areas for the parents. And then we come in here. Here's the closet. It is a giant space. For the guys, I know this is your only section right here. The rest will be for your wives. This is for the husbands, this side right here. And the rest is for your wife, all right? Now, Perry Homes, they're very prestigious. They're offering two to one buy downs on their homes. They're gonna help you out with your interest rate. And I'm here to serve you. If you have any questions, I help with buying, selling, rentals, leasing, anything you need help with, I can help you with. I want to be your one-stop shop. My name is Adrian Wells. I'm your San Antonio military realtor. I'm with eXp Realty on Synergy Realty Group's team. And I want y'all to have a blessed day, all right?